I got the flashlight behind the phone trying to record to y'all coming out at nighttime to see if we could find this doggone creature.
Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome or welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Welcome to backyard shenanigans video that I am trying to film and get together. As you can see, I have more light than I did before, so let me just show you around, let you know what I've been doing, and then tell you about a shenanigan surprise that I'm trying to get caught on video, but we'll see what happens. Let's take a look at the yard. All right, as you know, we tend to start with the aloe vera, and I wanted to show you something. Look what we got. So another aloe vera is sprouting. I just wanted you to see kind of like what the cone looks like, and eventually each of these like individual buds that you see, they will become like yellow seeds. We definitely do not need any more aloe vera plants. This was like a sprinkler hose, and I had that down the length of the aloe vera, but I'm not watering the plants like that anymore. I just hooked up a one of those multi like hose tips or whatever to my hose, and I'm just using that to water the whole backyard. Here you see the cherry tree, and if you remember, I said that I was going to be moving some of my plants and trees. So this tree is the one I pointed to in that dark video, and I am going to move it from this location. And it's actually gonna go, look, now I got too much sun. First I didn't have enough, and now I got too much. It's gonna go down there at the end. I'll show you in just a minute. Here is a hole that I'm digging to move the trees around. So this one is about 2.5 feet deep. This is a several week process, so we got started on this. I'm saving all of the dirt because I need it. This is the orange tree, and I cut even more of the leaves off. Look at all of the green, the new green that's growing in since I chopped off all of those dead branches. I should have did that a while back, huh? At the bottom here, so the rosemary is still doing well. I forgot what that was, and this is some kind of flower right here, and that was some kind of flower too. The only reason I planted those herbs and flowers around is because they were supposed to either attract like bees and other pollinators, and also like help get rid of the bugs. Apple tree is doing very well, and even though the large green spider and that brown and that kind of speckled grasshopper, because they had 2 grasshoppers in the apple tree, so those 3 things are gone, along with like 100 of those spider babies, but they still have spiders in this tree. Now if you remember, you see right here, I only have 1 apple left. It used to have 3 apples on this tree. 1 apple I actually cut down, and I left it on the ground right here. You don't see it no more, right? Let me go back. What y'all see right there? That look like remnants of an apple to you? Get a little bit closer. Maybe you see some like teeth marks and some nibbles and some bites. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, we have something new that's been creeping in the yard. It is not a spider. It is not a grasshopper. It is something apparently that is large enough to pick apples off a tree and eat it. And the culprit was spotted last night, or early this morning. It was vaguely recorded, but we still need proof and evidence, and I hope to get that tonight and like add it to the video. So here's another hole that we are digging, and the reason why you see water in the hole is because the ground is so hard and so dry. There's a lot of rocks also, and it's real hard to dig into the ground. Here is the cherry tree still. I don't know, y'all, this cherry tree is looking rough to me. I'm trying to do better with watering. I don't want to water too much, but I don't know if you can see this, if it'll show, but this is a brand new web. So we have a new spider that's living in this tree. I don't see it, and I'm glad that I don't, because y'all know I would like be running already. But I want to show you. So you see like these little, see if I can focus in, you see like the little nubs and stuff that you see like all over the tree. Those are where the cherries will eventually grow from. Now they're not gonna grow out right now. That's a good sign. That's a sign that the tree is actually healthy. This is the third and final hole that we just started digging. So this hole is where the cherry tree is gonna go. So instead of it being right there by the aloe vera and right next to the pavement of the pool, I'm gonna move it next to this cherry tree. And so I'm hoping that that will help them to better cross-pollinate each other, because they need each other to help produce cherries. The orange tree is gonna go here, which will be next to the lemon tree, or you know, kind of on this side of the lemon tree, and then where the orange tree was, and then the other hole that we're digging, that's gonna be 2 avocado trees eventually. This is not gonna happen like overnight or whatever. It'll probably be several backyard videos before we get to the final results. I was gonna take this last apple down, but I'm gonna leave this apple as low-hanging fruit. Gadoonch. That'll be the bait to see if we can catch this critter on camera. A quick update on our mini garden here. So these tomatoes, so this one, I think I will take this one, but the other one, you can see it's like kind of shriveling up and stuff like that. I don't think it's worth keeping. So the green bell pepper, I left it. I just went to the grocery store today and got the red beans, but my understanding is that the longer you leave the bell pepper on the plant, the more nutritious it gets. So the green bell peppers are like the least nutritious, but as the bell pepper stays on the plant and it absorbs more sun and more nutrients, it starts to change color. So it went from green to orange, and now it is turning red. And I'm trying to focus and get all of this stuff together for y'all. So maybe like 1 or 2 more days, I might pull it off this week, because you can see like the bottom is still a little green, but for the most part the bell pepper is now red. So here's a flower down here growing pretty low on a bell pepper, but I don't think it's gonna, you know, survive. This is what I was showing you as far as like the little worm living in the leaf, like just under the surface so bugs can't get it. So it hasn't spread to any of the other leaves. So but that's what I was trying to show you in that video. Oh no, why is there a rock on top of my, oh no y'all, a rock on top of my watermelon. Oh no, y'all, that was the watermelon. The lemons still look pretty good. They could do with a little bit more water. And y'all, I was trying to help these lemons right here. Yeah, these right here, and I ended up breaking the branch. And so I think it's 3 lemons that you see on that branch, they probably won't grow anymore. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's the wrap up for today's episode of Backyard Shenanigans. If we find the creature and the critter, I will include that video end this episode. Now I'll put in the short clip of the sighting from last night / early this morning, but we're gonna find out what it is, and we gotta do something about it, because you know nobody's supposed to be eating them apples except for me. That's all I have for today's video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, click the notifications bell, and share with everyone you know. Until next time, bye. Y'all, I'm scared, but I'm out here trying to see if that thing is out here. Do y'all see anything? I don't see nothing. Alright, it's not in the hole. Oh, y'all look. The apple is gone. The remnant of that apple is gone, y'all. Oh, I still got one apple left on the tree. But the remnant of that apple is gone. I know y'all saw it in that clip from earlier. Y'all, let's see.